Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. On this video, there are no accidents or near misses or really bad drivers, sort of. Now, I was driving around the other day when I got passed by one of those new Postal Service vans. Not a big deal until I noticed something. It didn't have a tag on it, which got me to thinking and brought up the question, do these new postal vans have to be tagged? Or are they exempt because they're a federal agency? Well, I spoke to a connection of mine who's a detective at a local police department, and he told me that they do have to be tagged. In fact, all fleet vehicles have to be tagged. So this postal van was driving illegally. Then after it passed me, I got to thinking further. This guy is speeding. And then I thought, could or would a police officer pull over a postal carrier for speeding or breaking the law? Or does the Postal Service rank higher than local jurisdiction? Which was another question I asked my detective connection. He said that by the book, letter of the law, they can pull over a postal carrier. But would they really? He told me that's based solely on the discretion of the officer. But anyway, those were just questions that came to mind after being passed by a postal carrier. Peace. Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.